Use of has to, have to English sentences. उसे प्रतिदिन कमरा साफ करना पड़ता है. He has to clean the room every day. He has to clean the room every day. हमें विद्यालय समय से पहुंचना पड़ता है. We have to reach the school at time. We have to reach the school at time. इस चपरासी को हर आधे घंटे में घंटी बजानी पड़ती है. This peon has to bring the bell every half an hour. This peon has to bring the bell every half an hour. तुम्हें बार बार दरवाज़ा खोलना पड़ता है. You have to open the door again and again. You have to open the door again and again. हमें अभी आगरा जाना है. We have to go Agra now. We have to go Agra now. उसे इस कहानी को पूरा करना है. He has to complete this story. He has to complete this story. राजा को यह युद्ध जीतना है. The king has to win this match. The king has to win this match. राम को घर जाना पड़ता है. Ram has to go to home. Ram has to go to home. सीता को खाना खाना पड़ता है. Sita has to eat the food. Sita has to eat the food. राजेश को काम करना पड़ता है. Rajesh has to do work. Rajesh has to do work. उषा को भोजन कराना पड़ता है. Usha has to eat the food. Usha has to eat the food. राम को मोहन के घर काम करना पड़ता है. Ram has to do work of Mohan's house. Ram has to do work of Mohan's house. उसे फूलों में पानी देना पड़ता है. He has to water in flowers. He has to water in flowers. उमा को पेड़ लगाने पड़ते हैं. Uma has to plant the trees. Uma has to plant the trees. मोनिका को सुबह जल्दी उठना पड़ता है. Monica has to wake up in the morning. Monica has to wake up in the morning. रिचा को पानी भरना पड़ता है. Richa has to fill water. Richa has to fill water. ऋषि को जप करना पड़ता है. The sage has to chant. The sage has to chant. राम को घर नहीं जाना पड़ता है. Ram doesn't have to go to home. Ram doesn't have to go to home. रेशमा को खाना नहीं बनाना पड़ता है. Reshma doesn't have to cook the food. Reshma doesn't have to cook the food. मीना को बाजार से सामान नहीं लाना पड़ता है. Meena doesn't have to bring goods from market. Meena doesn't have to bring goods from market. शीला को दवा नहीं खानी पड़ती है. Sheila doesn't have to take the medicine. Sheila doesn't have to take the medicines. सुरेश को घर से बाहर नहीं जाना पड़ता है. सुरेश doesn't have to go to out the house. सुरेश doesn't have to go to out of the house. सूरज को घर से खाना नहीं लाना पड़ता है. सूरज doesn't have to bring food from home. सूरज doesn't have to bring food from home. क्या राम को घर का काम करना पड़ता है? Does Ram have to do homework? Does Ram have to do homework? क्या सीता को मंदिर जाना पड़ता है? Does Sita have to go to temple? Does Sita have to go to temple? क्या मेघा को बाजार जाना पड़ता है? Does Megha have to go to market? Does Megha have to go to market? क्या उसे फूल तोड़ने पड़ते हैं? Does he have to pluck the flowers? Does he have to pluck the flowers? उसे घर क्यों जाना पड़ता है? Why does he have to home? Why does he have to home? उसे खेत क्यों जोतने पड़ते हैं? Why does he have to plow the fields? Why does he have to plow the fields? मीरा को दिल्ली क्यों जाना पड़ता है? Why does Meera have to go to Delhi? Why does Meera have to go to Delhi?